guys, it's Cylinder Petrol. Today we have a 2016 Kia Sportage, stock number 6889. This ran from the 10th 2015 to the 8th 2021. It has a G4KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left down headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents, left front 19-inch factory maggot tyre, front bonnet no dents, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory touchscreen Saturn stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.